In this video we hike out into the desert hundreds of meters above the sea, go running on the slope, and many other adventures along the coast of Australia.
Good morning everybody, I am making some coffee here on my portable stove and also a fruit salad. We are still here at the place called the Rainbow Beach. It's a really good time actually, I really enjoy it.
The day was starting out. We were having breakfast, but soon we were about to go to a really cool place. We finished the breakfast and got ready to head out. We were leaving the parking at Rainbow Beach to start new adventures for the day. We had driven about 1,500 kilometers up the east coast of Australia. Now we were just north of the city of Brisbane.
It's time to go for the next hike here at the Rainbow Beach. There's a place called the Blowhole.
The Sandblow is a windy sand-covered spot located above the sea.
We are out here in the desert at the Sandblow, a vast area of sand coming in from the ocean.
We started walking down towards the sea, and the view was really incredible.
The sun is frying us.
This place was really cool. It felt like a desert, really high up. What a great view we had, sitting there on top.
We have been walking around here at in the sand dunes for a while. It's getting steep.
Because of the strong winds in the area, there's barely any tall trees growing there.
Have a really windy area, and that's why we have so much sand here. The wind is coming in from the ocean, going up here, and that's why you see so much sand everywhere.
You gotta watch out when you've been in the desert. If you don't drink enough water, then you can collapse and start seeing a mirage. We got back from the Blowhole and then went to the ocean to jump in. After this, we decided to go on a kayaking trip with a group of people. We got into the car and started driving on the beach. We were on our way to a place called the Double Island Point, where you can see dolphins. We started paddling out into the ocean to see some dolphins, but we didn't see any. We kept looking, but we couldn't find them.
We are almost back. It has not been the best adventure actually. We just both got stung by a jellyfish. Washed off the kayak. I threw up a couple of times because I ate some old pasta from yesterday. It was not very smart. No dolphins.
Här ligger han utslagen. Efter några timmars paddling.
Helt förnedrad. Spydde, bränd, bortspolad. Ja, men det var kul. Det var minnes.
Jag hade kul i alla fall. Minne för livet.
We came back to the van after a long day. Now we were just resting up.
She's sitting here. There. How is the sunset?
Really good.
En fin.
Nej, this was better yesterday.
Tycker inte om man själv.
Alltså på riktigt.
Nu är jag också här.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the icon in the down left corner. Thank you for watching.